Hi, I'm Dawn Matlock with Tennessee Farmers Co-op, and you are watching a Co-op Minute. First thing you want to start out with when managing your lawn is know your soil pH. Your local co-op store can help you obtain a soil sample and help you with the recommendations for that lawn. After you have this soil sample, apply your lime based on what the soil sample results read, what they require you to have. When your soil pH is around 6.5, it allows the plant to have longer, stronger roots for it to obtain the fertilizer that you're putting down. Co-op sells a product called EC Plus. It is a fast-acting lime. The particle size on this lime is ground down to a 325 SGN. This helps your lime work faster in the lawn. Where normal lime works in about 6 months, this lime will work in 6 to 8 weeks. For changing your soil pH, you want to use 520 pounds per acre. If you're trying to maintain your soil pH, you want to use about 250 pounds per acre. A healthy lawn is obtainable with a little bit of hard work. Don't let it overwhelm you. Your local co-op store is there to help you. Please go in and talk to them, ask questions, and we appreciate your business. Thank you. Thanks again for joining us in this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.